Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the world of video editing with a game-changer, VideoProc Vlogger. It's not just for vloggers, and it's not just another editing tool. This free software is revolutionizing the market, offering a powerful set of features that both beginners and advanced editors can appreciate. Stick around as we explore the wonders of VideoProc Vlogger. Greetings, fellow creators! Today, we're putting the spotlight on VideoProc Vlogger, a software that's transforming the video editing landscape. Don't let the name fool you, it's not just for vloggers. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the tools in Vlogger will surely catch your attention. It's like having a professional video editor at your fingertips, and the best part? It's completely free. Let's dive in and discover the features that make this software a standout. First impressions matter, and VideoProc Vlogger nails it with its user-friendly interface. Clear icons and text descriptions guide you seamlessly through the editing process. Each main feature opens up a separate interface, preventing overwhelm by focusing on essential controls. Plus, the expandable menus help streamline the layout for a clutter-free experience. Now, let's talk about what sets VideoProc Vlogger apart, its feature set. Unlike basic presets found in other editors, Vlogger boasts a comprehensive set of tools that cater to both standard editing needs and advanced functionalities. Importing and exporting footage, trimming, adding text titles, and manipulating audio are all part of the package. But here's the exciting part. Vlogger offers cinema-like camera movement effects, speed ramping capabilities, and high-quality color grading tools, all without the price tag. Among the standout features is the advanced camera movement effects. Expect more than simple zooms and pans. Vlogger offers a range of movements like tilts, rolls, and trucks. These effects are easy to apply and highly customizable, allowing you to fine-tune scale, rotation, and timings for each keyframe. The level of control ensures your videos achieve the desired cinematic look. Need to slow down footage for dramatic effect? Vlogger's speed tools make it a breeze. Similar to the movement tools, adjusting speed and timings is intuitive. Keyframe curves further enhance customization, providing precise control over the pacing of your content. Elevating your visuals is a breeze with Vlogger's advanced color grading tools. Presets can be applied to clips, and you can even import your own LUT files for a personalized touch. The best part? These features are available even for 4K footage and HDR photos. It's hard to find fault with VideoProc Vlogger. It packs an extensive toolset and, best of all, it's completely free. While software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro offer more tools, they come at a cost. And let's not forget about DaVinci Resolve, which is also free and comparable to Vlogger. With its powerful features, Vlogger stands tall as one of the best free video editing software available. There you have it, tech enthusiasts. VideoProc Vlogger is a game-changer in the world of video editing. Its intuitive interface, robust features, and advanced functionalities make it a must-have tool for creators of all levels. Whether you're editing vlogs, cinematic masterpieces, or anything in between, Vlogger has got you covered. So why not give it a spin and let your creativity flow? Thanks for tuning in to this video review. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more insightful tech reviews. Remember, VideoProc Vlogger is breaking barriers in the editing world, and we're here to keep you in the loop. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep those creative juices flowing.